Well, we're not part of it. We didn't do any injustice on Gaza. Everybody in America is paying taxes, citizens and non-citizens. Some of you might say, oh, I'm an international student. You also pay taxes. You pay federal taxes. Federal taxes you pay? Yes. So your tax dollar is in those bullets and bombs that the one who acts crazy, your acting crazy president, signed without even going to the Congress. Even if he did go to the Congress, they would approve it too. They invited the monster 4 times. The only one in history of the United States gets 4 invitations, 4 speeches to Congress, and they give him standing ovations 4 times. This time 4 or 5 times they stood for him, with the exception of few brave souls like Rashida Tlaib. May Allah bless her. So many of us may think, we have nothing to do. Well, I hope